So here is my tipper, and I've replaced the corner joint with a smooth bend. And the corner joint is obviously, it's thinner, it's a smaller diameter for the water to go through than the pipe itself, whereas the smooth bend here is a larger diameter. So the water goes through it quickly. Water is shot out of the holes, and it's far better than it was before. This last little hole isn't going right now, but I can easily fix that. And the water has been out finished in 10 or 15 seconds. So it's much better than before, and it's an accident because I just had to use the corner joint on another project, and I had to replace it with something. So an accidental improvement, and it means that this is pretty much the ideal size to run this length of pipe, which is about it's about 6.5–7 feet of pipe. So excellent. Thank you.